Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to learn how to add the custom classes to this account links, because sometimes we want to add something different, adding classes, adding colors, something we want to play with that one with the links. So how we are going to do that? Because if I want to add custom classes, then I can add the CSS according to it. Okay. So today we are going to learn how to add the custom classes to this my account links. Okay, so be ready for that. And those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please hit like to this video, because I'm putting my lots of efforts in doing that, right? So let's get started. So to add, you can see that I have added the classes. I will show you. You can see that my orders, downloading products, everything I have added the classes. Now we can change everything accordingly, right? So how to add this classes? There are only we have a block, and we have block, and with the block part we are overriding the my account navigation. This is basically the my account navigation, and we are just replicating it with adding the class css. Okay, so let's see how to add this one. So here we go with this one. So here we have a account. So let's go with this one code. So in the etc we have di.xml that we are trying to override with this one Magento customer block account navigation with our block, right? Moving to the next part, we are going to make a new folder, that is block, then account, then we have a navigation link. So open the navigation. Just we are rendering, the part is render link. So when I try to render with the link, we are going to do, we are going to replace with the label. Okay, and return with the nav with label, and render this part, get the name in the layout. So you can see that here when I try to inspect it over here. So there is, you can see that my orders, then my orders are there, the nav item is already there. My download products, which we have removed the spaces and just added the full class over here. Okay, so you can see that we have added the custom classes successfully to that my account links. Okay, so we can do anything without with this one. So in the coming video, what I will do is, one of my subscriber has said that I want to add a button to this one as a logout button. So in the coming video we are going to learn how to create a button over here. Okay, so be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.